Hi there, welcome to today's video. I just want to start, as always, to thank you for watching and to thank everyone who is a subscriber, whether you are a long-standing subscriber or a fairly recent subscriber. It matters not to me. I'm very grateful that you are a subscriber regardless. With that said, if you're not already a subscriber, if you'd like to consider subscribing, I'd be extremely grateful for that. It lets YouTube know that my videos are the type of things that you want to be seeing, and it then puts my videos in front of a new audience because the YouTube algorithm seems to work in a way of the more people that want to see them, the more people they show them to. I don't know exactly how it works, but it seems to be the more subscribers, the more thumbs up you get, the more your videos get shown to people who aren't subscribers already, and it gives me a chance to expand my audience. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the OEX Heiro Solo Stove. I know what you're thinking, this is a prepper channel, and that's a camping stove, but it's kind of a multi-use type thing. Yes, you can use it for camping. I certainly have another variation of this. It's not the OEX Hero, it's a different brand, similar sort of thing. And I use that for camping. I use that for in my DIY camper van conversion. If you're a subscriber to my other channel with Laura, then you may well have seen me using it over on there. So, however, but this one I've got it purely as a prep to go in my winter car kit. But I thought I'd do a little review video just to let people see what it is. So, just a quick disclaimer for transparency. I have already opened this box. It's not the first time I've unboxed it. I have added a couple of items into the package already, but we'll show you what you get. So you open the box and it comes in a neat little package like this. So we'll just put the box to one side. No, we won't. We'll have a quick look. You've got little bits of instructions in the box, but we'll not bother with them. It also came with an annoying little metal tag attached to it, saying "Do not remove." But I removed that as quick as I could. It just gets in the way. So as you can see, it comes in a little mesh carry bag with a drawstring. We'll just open it up, put the bag to one side for 1 second. So this here is essentially a kit. You've got your pot. It's got a neoprene sleeve. It's got folding handles, and it's got a lid on the top. So we'll have a look at the lid first of all. So it's vented. It has like a drain thing there. So if you were boiling something, you want to pour the water away, you'd pour it out of that. I'm not sure what the central hole is, and if you had a hot drink and you were using it as a sip cup, you could sip through that. So inside it, the actual container. So I've put this in, so please disregard it. It's a small cloth and also a small gas canister. Like I say, these two items I have added to it myself, so you do not get those included with it. What you do get is the burner itself. I actually think the metal tag I was referring to was attached to here, but like I say, it just gets in the way. It tells you on the tag not to remove it, but, well, So, like I say, after that, you've got the cup itself. It's got little measurements. You won't be able to see it from there. It's got 0.6 litre, 0.4 litre, 0.2 litre. So basically, on the bottom of the cup, you've got little fins, which the heat goes as a jet onto the bottom. It spreads around to the fins on the bottom, and it spreads the heat evenly. That combined with the fact that you have a lid on the top, it gives it a rather quick boil time. I don't know exactly how quick. We'll find out shortly. Bear in mind, I am currently indoors, so if you're outside in the wind or whatever, it's going to take a little bit longer than it will in here, where there's no wind whatsoever. So basically, you would get your gas canister that you've purchased separately. This one here I've got is the Coleman C100 Xtreme 2.0. It goes down to minus 27 degrees Celsius. The reason I bought this one specifically is to keep it in the car if I get stranded in the car overnight in bad weather or whatever. Not even overnight, just even for a few hours, you know. I can make myself a hot drink with the winter survival kit that I carry, keep myself comfortable, you know. And obviously, it's a mix of butane and propane. If it was just the butane canisters, it's well known that they don't work very efficiently. I think it's below 5 degrees Celsius. It starts flaring and can be quite dangerous. Whereas this one, with the mix of the butane and the propane together, it works down to, it claims, minus 27 degrees Celsius. Hopefully, I'll never experience temperatures like that, so I won't get to test out the claims. So basically, you just get your gas canister and the stove part. It's got a little threaded bit on the bottom. You just line them up, get the thread on. There we go. As you connect them, there's a little bit of a escape of gas. I'm not sure if you heard it. Just a tiny little, you know, just a ever so slight, minute amount. So just before I light it, I do want to make people aware that I have got a carbon monoxide alarm just behind. It's in an open room. I feel fairly safe, fairly confident that nothing is going to go wrong when I light this. Just in case anybody was thinking, oh, you're going to die, it's going to explode, it's going to set your house on fire, whatever. I feel safe. If anything like that happens, you won't see this video anyway. So, like I say, so anyway, you've got your little fold out gas tap here, and you have your electronic igniter here. So you just, obviously, you press it and ignite it. So I'll just turn the gas on. I'll put it level first. Turn the gas on, and one click, and it's alight. Obviously, you can see. Just turn it off very quickly because it is quite loud. So yeah, that's pretty much all it is. The unscientific test. How long does it take to boil some water? So I've measured out one standard UK mug sized portion of water. This is around about 300 milliliters. Again, not scientific. I poured some water into my mug, from that mug into the jug, just to see how much was there. Like I said, it's around about 300 mils of water. So we'll pour it into the cup. Put the jug out of the way. And we'll put the lid on. So we'll just, no, we won't light the stove. We'll get my phone ready for the timer. Again, it's not going to be a scientific test or anything like that. Just to be clear, it's a little YouTuber in his dining room doing a video review of it. So we'll just turn the gas on. Around here it has got little notches. You just line them up. There's one either side. So they just go on in place, and then half turn, and they lock in place. You can pick the whole unit up as you like. So just adjust the flame. Forgot to set the stopwatch away. It's going now, but we'll add a few seconds on the top of that. So just quickly, we are at 45 seconds on here. Like I say, extra 5 seconds or so. It's already steaming. So we'll just put the lid back on. So I've already got a rolling boil here. I'm going to turn that off. I'll stop this now. That was 1 minute and 20 seconds. I'll sit back down because I'm not sure if I cut my head off or not. So we had a rolling boil there, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Like I say, add 5 or 10 seconds on there. 1 minute 30, boiling water, rolling boil. Clip it off. As you can see, the steam coming off of there. One hot drink. Like I say, I appreciate this is indoors. There's no wind blowing on it. It's warm already. We try to keep the house around about 20 degrees in the winter time, just to keep it nice and warm. Um, but 1 minute 30 seconds, it's you can't get better than that. I don't think basically. Yes, there's many different brands out that all do the same sort of job. You might shave a couple of seconds off here or there, or you might add a couple of seconds onto a different one here or there. But there's nothing else to say. It does the job extremely efficiently. Yes, I can confirm that is too hot to drink. Burn my tongue a little bit. So there's not much else to say about it. It boils water extremely quickly. It's a jet type stove. It's very efficient at what it does. It's very good at what it does. For me, it's 10 out of 10. Two thumbs up. Over here in the UK, it's available from a retailer called Go Outdoors. It is £45 if you remember. You can also get it from other retailers, Blacks, um, Mountain Warehouse do it. I think they're all owned by the same parent company, or you can get it on the likes of eBay, Amazon, etc. I'm not sure on the price for those, but once again, as always seems to be the case lately, I just want to thank Laura because she purchased this for me. Thank you very much, Laura. And thank you very much for watching. But that's all for now. So I'll say goodbye. Take care.